Now we're coming to the preview of each and every sign for the weekly horoscope report. Preview. What is preview? Preview is a free content in which we extract one part of the premium content. In the premium content, we share with you 6 parts. Transit, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, task, precaution, chantings. These are 6 parts consist of premium content. So out of these 6 parts, we share with you one part, conclusion part 1 in the preview. These weekly horoscope reports are quite important for those people who are next 7 days, the important events are happening, or next 7 days, if they're going for any kind of an interview or very important meeting or negotiation or dealing, and some events are happening in the coming week. Some timing and the days are important, and you need to make a decision or choices, or you have to make a move in the coming week, or the scenario is developing in the next 7 days and you need to keep a close eye and watching that particular scenario, then you make a move. Weekly horoscope report which we are presenting with the premium content is very thorough, give you environment of the whole week and what you can do in that particular week. The prediction is there, positive and negative both ways, but task, precaution, chanting, the real asset to you can change the equation of the whole week if you want to. Prediction clarity is there, crystal clear understanding is there. Then what you can do in that particular equation is your call. This weekly horoscope report which we produce is an applied astrology horoscope report, not like a only prediction. Through task, precaution, chanting, you can maneuver the astrological equation if you want to. These are not suitable for everybody, but anybody who needs it. Medicine is not for everybody. Medicine for the patient. So end of the day, our weekly horoscope report, who need this horoscope report, who need the help and support and guidance for those people, for all of you. But I'd like to share with all of you, this is what we do. Every preview have a supporting statement in the end, in which we define categorically what are these planets are doing for you. But end of the day, if you want a premium content, visit my website, prakashastrologer.com, and take a full advantage of the premium content. But otherwise, best of luck to all of you. Libra weekly forecast, week commencing 25th October till 31st October. Libra, this coming week is for you. Libra, Moon Rahu in 8th house. Look after your health, well-being, marriage, relationship. And sometime you can be in the middle of a trap. Beware of any unexpected events. Be prepared for everything, every individuality. If there's any confusion or bundle of illusion around you, you have to talk to your well-wishers. You have to come out from any confusion, any trap, any kind of situation. Be careful. Venus Ketu, 2nd house. Watch your flow of income. Watch your actions and conduct. Watch your behavior. Jupiter, Saturn in 4th house. Keep a close eye on your surroundings. Mercury position 12th house. May I say that this particular period, beware of financial losses, beware of unexpected events. Sun, Mars in Lagna. Watch your temper, watch your action, conduct, behavior, dealing. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, like Moon's transit effect. That will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report will define you what astrological task you must do in the time of your need. What precautions you must exercise in the next 7 days to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must do in next 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Libra, weekly conclusion part 1. In this coming week, a lot of your accomplishments will be there. A lot of your problem will be resolved, done and dusted. There will be a rise in financial gain and achievements of your. There will be rise in status, prestige and honor. There will be great improvement in your circumstances and luck will favor you. There will be a unique change in your situation, scenario, environment around you. You have a lot of opportunity to expand, to establish, to achieve, to rise. You'll be socializing quite a lot. You'll be mingling with a lot of religious people, social people, powerful people. Why the weekend? Beware of unnecessary tension, fruitless expenditure. You've got to look after your health, well-being. With the help of foreign contact, you'll achieve a lot. Achieve rewards, financial gain, prosperous opportunities. A lot of your unique professional financial contacts will be there. You will be prosperous. You'll achieve a lot. You'll be content.